Hi everybody, looking for a simple strategy for weekend trading? Today I will share a simple but effective method for the OTC market. I tested it directly on Pocket Option, but you can also use it on almost any other binary options platform. So if you like content like this and want to continue getting practical trading strategies, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell. In using this method, the first step you need to do is use software called Cross Signal. This device will help you recognize trading signals more easily and accurately. Select the market to trade, then choose a signal duration of 2 minutes for better results. Make sure you choose assets with a payout of at least 75% to maximize the potential profit from each position you take. Okay guys, I just made a sell purchase. I took this decision based on the signals provided by the Cross Signal software. As you can see, this method is very simple and easy to use. We don't need to use additional tools or perform complicated market analysis. Just follow the signals that appear from this software and you can start trading. So for those of you who want to get official access and download Cross Signal software, please check the description of this video. There you will find a link that will connect you directly to us. All right, guys, now let's go ahead and watch this video till the end.